guys can see, she's really blessed with a lot of hairs, but I have tried my best for the section. This our sister looks 100% natural hairstyle, no involvement of any product or any chemicals here. But things be done technically.